if you're selling any products, whether it's physical products, affiliate products, or you have your own merchandise or you keep your own merchandise, and you've always wanted to create UGC content, then you should watch this video. UGC contents are absolutely blowing up the entire advertising industry, and you should get a slice of this cake, because in the coming year, it's going to be the only way to advertise. I know I'm a bit of a fanatic, but I think this is like huge, and a lot of people are not taking advantage of this opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to create a UGC content or user generated content easily with the help of AI. You don't have to show your face, as many people are actually scared of actually showing their faces when it comes to creating contents for products they sell. AI is here to help you, and it is super easy for you to get started. Now let's get into the video. A lot of industries nowadays are using UGC content for their promo videos or for their ads and for their normal branding. Now, if you don't know what UGC is, UGC is user generated content. These contents are contents that are created by actual users. So let's say there's a product that's selling on Amazon. A UGC content would be a user reviewing that product and showing how to use that product on their social media page or on the page of the company. Now, UGC content is absolutely blowing up, and most people are actually scared of getting into UGC because they don't want to show their face on camera, or they don't know how to record or stuff like that. There's a way you can absolutely automate this with AI, and it is super easy with free tools. You don't have to spend any money to invest in any weird AI tool that you're not going to commit with on the long run. Now, I'm about to show you the easiest way that you can go about creating UGC content if you do not want to show your face, with the help of AI, and it is completely free. Now, the first thing you want to do is, let's say you have a product that you want to sell, or you're into drop shipping, or you are selling affiliate products on from Amazon or any other place. Now, what you want to do is you want to go over to Amazon. So let's say you're using Amazon and you're selling a product on Amazon. You want to go on Amazon or any other e-commerce platform that you have or you're using. You want to go and copy the product link. So let's say this is the product I want to copy. I want to promote this product. I want to create a UGC content for this product. I'll copy the link to the product by just copying it like this, Control C, and then I will head over to ChatGPT. Now, a lot of you might not know this, but if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, maybe you cannot access the paid version. Maybe you're not using Bing browser or whatever browser. Now, there's a workaround that you can actually use ChatGPT 3.5, which is an amazing version of ChatGPT that a lot of people do not know. Now, you want to come over to extensions on your Chrome browser, and you want to download WebGPT. There are a lot of versions out there, different versions that you can actually use it. So what this does is it will actually help ChatGPT to go online, so ChatGPT could scrub the internet to look for details of what you want ChatGPT to do. Now, if you have the paid version of ChatGPT, better for you, or you have Gemini, or you have any other model, then you can absolutely use that. But I like using ChatGPT for this because it could generate me a really good script and a well-detailed script. Now, once I've done that, now I'll come over to ChatGPT and I'll ask it, look at the prompt I give to ChatGPT. I'm trying to create a UGC for this product on Amazon. Use this link to write me a short 30 to 60 minutes narration script for UGC content about this product. The narration should be in the perspective of an actual user of the product, so it seems relatable. Do not give me a breakdown of the script. I want only the narration to be used to create this content. Now, I've given ChatGPT the prompt, and I've given it the link to the product. Now, it would go on Amazon and scrub through the information of the product and create a script specifically tailored to that product. Now, this is how it works. Now, once ChatGPT gives me a script, this is a short script. As someone who spends blah, 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 this is a script you give me, absolutely fine. I'll take this script and I'll go over to 11 Labs. Now, when I go over to 11 Labs, I'll paste it here and I'll pick a voice. There are a lot of voices here on 11 Labs, and you can actually train your own voice here. It's completely free. This is like the best of the best when it comes to text to speech. There's no other platform as good as this. Now, once you generate your audio, you paste in your script here. It will automatically generate the audio for you. So once it generates the audio, you want to download that audio by clicking download here, and then you go over to this platform called HeyGen. Now, HeyGen is a platform that will let you create speaking avatars. Now, their avatar has gone is now on another level. It's absolutely amazing. It's so realistic that you can't tell the difference between an AI avatar and a real human. So this is how you can actually create this UGC content now. So once you're on HeyGen, you want to sign up or log in with your Google. If you have an account, you can actually use the paid version, but I'm using the free version, which you can do a lot with. I'm creating all this from a free version. So once you're on HeyGen, you want to go over to create video. Now to ask you an avatar video or video translation. So I'll just click avatar video. It's going to ask you the aspect ratio. I'm just going to select portrait for this. And then once I select portrait, I'm just going to look for video avatar. Here you can see video avatar, photo avatar. I want a video avatar. Now I'll just scroll through and I'll look for the avatar that best suits the kind of product I want to promote. Now let's say for this tutorial I actually used this one. Let me show you the one I actually used, which I felt was okay for the tutorial I wanted to create. So I used this guy because he looks relatable. He looks like somebody that is actually genuine. So you want to be very mindful of the avatars you pick, because some might not fit into the niche that you're actually creating videos for. So once I click on this, I'm going to see there are different poses here for this avatar. I don't want to go too in depth with this, so I'm just going to pick anyone. So I picked this one. So once you click on this, it's going to automatically populate the editor here. So you can just delete what they have here. You can just delete this script that you have here. Just click on delete, and then you can upload your own script, or you can upload your own audio. Now if I didn't want to use 11 labs, I would have just uploaded my script here and to automatically generate a voice for me, but I wanted to be sure of the voice I'm creating. That's why I went through 11 labs. So as I've generated a script, I'll click on upload. So it's going to ask me to pick the file, so I'm just going to click on the file. So once you're done, it will automatically generate a video for you, a product video. Now this is the video that he actually generated for me. Let's look at the video together.
As someone who spends countless hours working on my laptop, I was thrilled to discover the Black Plus Decker laptops stand for desk. Its ergonomic design has significantly reduced the neck.
Mind blowing. This is absolutely mind blowing. If you didn't know this was AI right off the bat, you wouldn't have been able to tell that this was an AI generated video. You think this is the actual guy speaking, but that's not even his voice, as you've just seen here in this tutorial. So once I'm done with this, I'll just download this video. So I'm just going to download it. So once that's downloading, while that's downloading, you want to go over to Amazon. Now this is the second part of this video. You want to scroll down. Most of these products on Amazon, they have actual user generated videos that a lot of users or people they're like review videos that these products they have. So you want to scroll down to Amazon, the lower part of the page, and then you're going to see a video about the product. So let's see this one. This is for this tutorial. This is just the single video. You can see there's a phone. This is the phone holder. You can scroll down and look for other videos, and they are similar brands. If you don't find the actual video or review videos by this exact product, you can just use a similar product video, which I wouldn't advise you do that, but that's one way you can go about doing this. So let's just look for a similar video to use for this product. For the sake of this tutorial, this product doesn't have a lot of videos, but you want to do your research. You can actually use still images as well. A lot of people get away with using still images, but videos are more compelling, as we know. So we're just going to look for a video and download that. Okay, now, oh, perfect. This is a video for them, but this is not an actual user's review of the product. So most times this made cinematic videos do not actually work for UGC content, but you can actually still use them as they are well made. So let's just say for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use this video. So I'll just get the link of the video, or let's just click on this. I'm just going to copy the link of the video, and then I'm just going to go over to Google and look for Amazon video downloader. Amazon Video Downloader online. Sometimes you can actually download the videos directly from Amazon, but sometimes it doesn't work. So you just have to get around it by just using an online downloader. Yeah, so for some reason the Save from Net URL was acting weird. You couldn't download the Amazon video. So I downloaded this extension which is called AMZ Video Downloader. You can just go on the Chrome store and just download it. It's free. Look at it here. Amazon Video Downloader. So you can just add that extension to your browser, and then once you go on Amazon and you click on any video, to automatically ask if you want to download it. So once you download the video, that's like the step done. You just want to go over to CapCut or any other video editor you use. I'm actually using CapCut for the sake of this tutorial, but you can use whatever video editor you want. So I'm just going to click on new project. So I'm just going to download my video from Amazon, and then the UGC content I downloaded from HeyGen. I'm just going to drag them into the timeline. So I'm just going to put them on the timeline like this. What you want to do is allow for the intro to play. You want to zoom this in so it takes up a huge portion of the screen. So let's say to here, and then I'll just keep it like this for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm just going to let the intro play. Then later on the other parts of the video can play. So it's as simple as this. Let's just...
As someone who spends countless hours working on my laptop, I was thrilled to discover the Black Plus Decker laptop stand for desk. Its ergonomic design has significantly reduced the neck and shoulder tension I used to experience. The adjustable height feature allows me to position my laptop at eye level, promoting better posture during long work sessions. The stand's sturdy aluminum construction not only provides durability, but also complements my workspace with its sleek, minimal design. Plus, its compatibility with various laptop sizes makes it a versatile addition to any desk setup. This stand has truly transformed my daily work routine, making it more comfortable and efficient. For more details, you can check out the product here.
So you get the picture. This is super easy, and this is how you can start creating UGC content for your products that you're selling. Maybe you're doing drop shipping, or you're doing affiliate marketing and you're helping brands sell their products. This is a simple way that you can start creating contents for them and start making sales on whatever product you're doing. This is just a simple tutorial, and you can completely do this easily with the help of AI. So that's about it for this video. I'll be dropping another video on how you can actually create UGC content and how you can create a different style of niches for videos. I hope you found this tutorial useful. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like tutorials like this, just click on this link and it will take you to a playlist that I've made a lot of tutorials and niches that you can actually start now. And if you want to support me, there's a link in the description to buy me a coffee, or maybe a few cups of coffee if you're too generous. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.